bit closer. There you go. Can you do that, guy? And that one over there. Yeah, alright. Got one more right here. Look, a little bit more right here. Let me turn the vacuum so it doesn't fall on you. There we go. Oh, it's stuck on the carpet. Pull, pull, pull. There you go. You're doing a good job, baby. Do you like the vacuum?
We're done.
You're done?
Yeah.
Alright. Can you put the hose away?
Yeah.
Do not touch the outlet. Mommy does that part. Put the hose away. Very good. And then turn it off. No, not the plug. Push the button off. Push the button. Where's the button, Oliver? There we go. Now Mommy does the plug. Remember, that's bigger. Alright, now you do the button over there. I know. This is an ouch, huh? Okay, we're angry. Do I have to push this button too? Or are you going to push that button? Come on, show me that attitude. I like it. Woo! I know I'm pissing you off. Well then, push the button. Oliver, Elijah. Roll up that cord or else Mama's going to do it. 1, 2. Oh, no you don't. No. Oh, you did it. You did it without me. And you fixed it. See, you're a big man. You got this. You got this. Nobody got to do nothing. I'm moving. I'm moving. Oh, Lord.